Have you ever wondered what keeps the insides of a cell, well, inside? Meet the cell membrane, the gatekeeper of life, protecting the cell while controlling what gets in and out. But this gatekeeper is far more complex than just a wall. At first glance, the cell membrane looks simple, but look closer and you'll find a highly dynamic structure. It's made of phospholipids, which look like tiny tadpoles. Each one has a hydrophilic or water-loving head and a hydrophobic or water-fearing tail. Together they form what's called a phospholipid bilayer. This bilayer forms the perfect barrier. Water and charged particles can't pass through easily, which helps the cell maintain its environment. But the membrane isn't just for blocking things out, it's also a selective gateway. Scattered across this membrane are proteins, which act like specialized gates and channels. Some proteins let nutrients like glucose pass into the cell, while others kick out waste products. Think of them as the cell's bouncers, deciding who gets in and who stays out. These membrane proteins work in two ways. Some are passive gates, letting molecules flow in naturally when conditions are right. Others are active pumps, using energy to move substances in and out even against the flow. But wait, there's more. The cell membrane also contains cholesterol. Not just something your doctor talks about. Cholesterol actually helps keep the membrane fluid and flexible so it can adapt to changing temperatures and environments. Water, ions, oxygen, carbon dioxide, they all need to pass in and out of the cell. But the cell membrane controls exactly how that happens, maintaining a delicate balance. This is crucial for things like communication between cells and even the transmission of nerve signals. Speaking of communication, the cell membrane is also packed with receptor proteins. These act like the cell's antennas, receiving signals from other cells which help the cell decide when to grow, divide, or even self-destruct. So, the cell membrane may seem like just a simple barrier, but it's really a complex, multifunctional structure that keeps the cell alive and thriving. From keeping out harmful substances to sending signals and managing what flows in and out, it's the unsung hero of cellular life. And when these membranes work together across millions of cells, they form tissues and organs, the building blocks of life. So next time you think about your cells, remember, it's the membrane that keeps everything in check.